Hello everybody, welcome to my video. Today we will talk about the part of Malaysia from some some of my supporter requests. So we will talk about what is in store for Malaysia in 2019, and also some of the Malaysia part perspective that we can talk about. So let's start. Okay, the information that I get from my supporter, she gave me 31st August 1957, the Independent Day of Malaysia. So the party is Bazi of Malaysia. The year is Tingyo. The month is Ocean. The day is Ihai. So based on the timing that just now I brought up is Ming Shi. The hour, we can use the hour in the time that you plot out the chart. In fact, you can use any time. The most accurate is when the time that you plot out the party, and the time itself will talk about the current situation the country is going through. Okay. So the next slide, in this year 2019, Malaysia entered into a new luck. Is Imao. Previous luck is Jiayi, the tiger clash the monkey. So this is the luck, right? Then the year is this year, Zihai, 2019. So let's talk about Malaysia first. The flower represent Malaysia. Pig represent the capital. So it's called. This is Kuala Lumpur, KL. So there's a 7 killing. And there's a direct officer. So can the officer and the 7 killing get along each other? No, they cannot get along. Why they cannot get along? Although they are fall under the same method category, but one is yang, one is yin. That's why there's always a so-called argument. Okay, a lot of problem. Okay, a lot of disagreement. Why? Number one, see, the fire control the 7 killing. Okay. Whereas although the fire control the rooster, but doesn't mean it's good for the monkey. Why? The fire control the rooster, but the dragon, the monkey support. Okay, support this is dog. Okay, you cannot read Keng to sheep in the 12 row. You cannot read because you have to read as a pillar. As a pillar, on top is day master, below is the reading. So dog to monkey is weak. Either weak or sick. That means the 12 row reading is definitely negative. So dog and monkey, actually they are negative to each other. Okay, this is one of the problems. Okay. So now this luck, the luck come. First Malaysia always have second opinion when so-called when election has been elected. There's always a second opinion. You see why? Because the officers 7 killing, they start to disturb each other. No? And this sort of disturb will create chaotic to Malaysia. And also the people, you see, the people is pig. Pig to Malaysia is death. So what happen? If they are not careful, they are destroying their own. If you destroy your country, you are destroying your own freedom. Okay? So all this configuration is not nice. Malaysia to the rooster is extinct. Right? One of the authority, they may extinct, destroy the country. This officer is conceived, so at least this officer can protect Malaysia, because why? To Malaysia, this is conceived, but conceived is not strong. Conceived is weak. Okay. Then the people of Malaysia, you see, the people of Malaysia, if they don't unite, they may also destroy their own country. Then the dog is the current situation now. The dog is also deaf, right? So Malaysia Bazi is not very nice. You need the good luck to come and help. Okay. Number one, we look at the good luck. So now you know the rabbit clash. Okay, when does the clash take place? Okay, since Malaysia declared independence is on the 31st of August, so this clash will only take place when Malaysia reach the date of 31st August 2019. That is the closest date. Then from there, all the dispute will be resolved by then. So we are looking at the last quarter of this year, where the people of Malaysia, they will find peace. So at least there's only one leader, and hopefully the leader now is so-called firm and strong enough to get the people unite and prosperous together. Okay. So then the rabbit also combine the dog. Okay. Dog represent job, a lot of job, a lot of opportunity for Malaysia. So when the dog is concerned, there is not much opportunity, not much job. So if let's say Malaysia do not have so-called business from overseas, what happen? The population will be affected. Now what happen? You will have job problem. Understand? So the so-called unemployment rate will go up. Okay. So for people who are working, please hold on and be patient. Try not to change job, because getting job will not be easy in this year, 2019. Okay. This is the luck that interfere. Okay. But of course, when officer and servant killing, one has to be removed. Of course, remove the negative will be very pleasant for Ide master. So the rabbit clash the rooster. The rooster is very unpleasant to the Ide master. So when it clash, it becomes very clear. Okay. Then on the same time, Malaysia, in this luck, Malaysia will become stabilized. But it takes time. I mean, within these 10 years, gradually Malaysia will be stabilized, because that flower is rooted. Okay. Then that means it's not by himself. It's not by Malaysia itself. It's with the help of the friend. Okay, friend is called the neighboring country, or whichever that they can help Malaysia. Okay, then this friend will, number one, help Malaysia. Do not confuse the politician confusion, and number two, remove the so-called low job occupancy. Okay, so after the luck, we talk about this year. Okay, 己亥year. Okay, so we must read, is 己亥 year good or bad? Be careful, you see how I read. actually, if your 八字 have high and the high appeared, that means you know that your high move. Okay, your high move. So the people and the officer move together, which mean that after 31st of August, one they have really selected the actual minister or the actual leader to represent Malaysia. The people will support whatever the leader say. The people will support. Okay, so this is good. So when the pig go out, the pig in the 八字 in the day from weak becomes strong. So when the pig is out, strong. When the pig is out, the pig becomes strong. Strong in what? Strong in supporting the goat and the ox. The goat and the ox is actually money. Money to so-called people and job. So you can see the so-called the synergy, the leader and the people supporting the leader with the common objective of doing certain things for the country, everyone. So this is quite harmony. Okay. So when the pig left, what happened? This all combined. Okay. So the negative is gone. The negative is gone. Of course, the positive also gone. Right. So what happened? No more confusion. So Malaysia will have peace in this year after 31st August 2019. Definitely the last quarter. But from now until the birthday of Malaysia, you can experience confusion and chaotic. So do not worry, right? Do not worry about this confusion. The problem will solve by itself by end of the year. So remember, getting job will not be easy this year. So try to be patient in your job. Don't change, right? Because the job is not coming in yet. So this jihai is not coming immediately. It's they are talking. New job coming in, they are talking. So we will talk about where to look forward next year, the year after next, right? Because number one, the luck is good. The luck actually clear Malaysia parts to make Malaysia focus and be stable. Then after that, then from there you will see slow progress, but at least there's no confusion, right? So it's a good news for Malaysia. So I hope that the people of Malaysia will be prosperous and success for the years to come. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.